Yo, remember back on the bully when cats used to harmonize like...
So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another cooking video. So today I'm going to be making some lamb chops with some roasted veg and some chips. Quite a simple meal, but we're going to see how it turns. Obviously this time I got all my ingredients. So obviously I got the lamb marinated and I seasoned it with Cajun seasoning, garlic, ginger paste, mixed herbs, paprika and barbecue sauce. I let it marinate overnight because, you know, for red meat you have to let it season a bit longer. I got some mixed peppers, I got some chips because I got these, they're like waffle chips. I'm going to see how those turn out since I've never tried them. I got some feta because I thought it would be nice to have it as a mix with the veg. Got some more mixed veg here and I got some onions. And obviously I'm going to add more seasoning, so I got mixed herbs, paprika, all-purpose, not the strong one though, and some garlic. So now we're gonna... So the first thing I'm gonna do is cook my chips, because I feel like chips will be taking the most amount of time. So I'm gonna put them onto the baking tray. I think I'll put like that amount because I don't really eat that much, but you know, so you're gonna separate them so they can have a chance to cook. Whilst the chips are cooking, I'm going to start cooking the lamb chops because that's the longest procedure of everything here. From what I've heard, they take normally 15 to 20 minutes to fry. So obviously I'm not trying to have no red stuff because I don't like my lamb to still be buying. So now we're going to cook some lamb oil because obviously you need your food to cook properly. I already put the pan on a medium heat so it can have a time to like do its thing with the oil. I'm a bit happy with the seasoning outcome. It's smelling a bit too nice, so I'm excited to cook this. Now that the oil is warm and starting to do its thing, I'm going to use these tongs because you know me, I don't like touching meat with my bare hands. So I'm just going to pick one of them up and just plonk it straight into the pan. So you can see it's already sizzling. Now it's getting a bit excited. Make sure it's all laid flat, completely flat, so you can have a chance to cook on evenly on one side. Alright, so now you're going to leave that for 10 to 15 minutes before I turn over the other side. Alright, so since now it's been frying for a little bit, we're going to turn it over. So I do get to turn it over, like so. It's starting to brown already, that's a good sign. So you're going to let that sit for another 10 to 15 more minutes. As you can see now, it looks pretty much done. Obviously you can see the barbecue sauce has done this little browning. So now I'm going to leave it on a plate to rest while I sort out the veg. I can't lie, the lamb looks good. We're going to get started with the veg. Obviously I use the same oil because normally the oil can give some flavour for the vegetables. So now we're going to start frying it. So now we're going to add some of the mixed veg. Onions, and some peppers. So now you're going to stir in the veg with the oil. As I told you, you have to mix the oil and the veg so you can have a chance to roast and get all brown and good. So now you can see the vegetables are browning. We're going to add some seasoning, so mixed herbs are going to go in there. Mostly for decoration, not actual flavour. I'm going to add some all-purpose, which adds a bit of flavour. A bit of paprika, does it need some spice? And a bit of garlic, because why not? And now we're going to stir that all in and let it brown even more. As you can see now, the vegetables are all brown, mixed in with the seasoning. So guys, after a long wait, my food's finally done. Obviously I didn't forget about the chips because they were done like 5 minutes ago. I had to make sure they were proper crispy. The feta cheese, I'll put it with the veg because normally it adds a nice little tangy taste to it. And obviously my lamb's looking good. We are all done. So thank you guys for watching. Please do like, comment, share, subscribe, do your things spreading the word. And I'm going to enjoy my meal again. But thank you guys for watching and bye.